Good morning to all of you. Today we are studying about some problem that is was on the property of AP. After that we discuss about the sum of terms of AP. Now, first of all, we discuss about some problems. Now, here question number 20. If A by B plus A, B by C plus A, C by A plus B are in AP and A plus B plus C does not equal to 0, prove that 1 by B plus C, 1 by C plus A and 1 by A plus B are in AP. And question number 21, if B plus C minus A by A, C plus A minus B by B, A plus B minus C by C are in AP, then show that 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP provided A plus B plus C does not equal to 0. Now question number 20, here 1 by A by B plus C, A by B plus C, B by C plus A, C by A plus B are in AP. As we know that if the constant term added to the S term of AP are subtracted to H term of AP are divided H term of AP are multiply H term of AP, that series is also in AP. Now here in this case A by B plus C, B by C plus A and C by A plus B are in AP. Now on adding one in each term, here A by B plus C plus 1, B by C plus A plus 1, C by A plus B plus 1 are in AP. ये भी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में होगा. अब now B plus C we take the LCM. B plus C, here A plus B plus C, also here C plus A, here B plus C plus A. In this case A plus B, also here C plus A plus B are in AP. Now, as we know that if divide a constant term to the S terms, that we get the series also in AP because this is in AP. So that on dividing A plus B plus C in each term, we get this is a cancel A plus B plus C, B plus C plus A, C plus A plus B, so that we get 1 by B plus C, 1 by C plus A, 1 by A plus B are in AP proved. Now here prove that 1 by B plus C, 1 by C plus A, 1 by A plus B are in AP proved. Now second problem here. Second question. Next 21. Given B plus C minus A by A, B plus C minus A by A, C plus A minus B by B, A plus B minus C by C are in AP. This is a given. Now, here in this case, if we add 1 in this case, now R in AP, so that we arrange this B plus C by A, B plus C by A minus A by A, that is a minus 1. This can be also written as C plus A by B minus B by B, that is 1. A plus B by C and minus C by C any 1 are in AP. As you know that if any constant term subtracted from each term of AP, that also the series that is also in AP, so that now on adding 1 in each term, on adding 1 in each term, adding 1 each term, this 1 is cancelled, so that B plus C by A, C plus A by A by C plus A by B, A plus C, A plus B by C are in AP. This is also in AP. Now adding 1. Again, adding 1, this becomes B plus C by A plus 1, C plus A by B plus 1, A plus B by C plus 1 are in AP. Now this can be written as, we take LCM A, B plus C plus A, B, C plus A plus B, so that B plus C plus A by A, C plus A plus B by B, A plus B plus C by C are in AP. And now on dividing A plus B plus C, on dividing A plus B plus C in its terms, we get 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. Proof. Now we discuss about the some questions that related to the sum of AP. Now here question on sum of AP. First find the sum of following series. This is a series. Now first part 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 dot dot to 100 terms. 100 terms. As you know that we have two formula for the sum of this. Sn equal to n by 2 under root 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If the series is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on. And another formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket में a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the last term. A is the first term, l is the last term. In this case, d is the common difference. Here, a equal to, this is a first term, a is equal to 1, and common difference d is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1, 3 minus 2, that is 1. So that we have to obtain 100 terms. Yes, Sn equal to n by 2 bracket में 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, yes, 100 equal to 100 by 2. 2 into a is the first term 1 plus 100 minus 1 into d is 1. Also, now here this is a 50 and 2, this is a 99 and 2 101, and this is equal to 0, 5 5, 0 and 5. This is the sum of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100. Now, second problem here. In this case, a 1, 3, 4, 4, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, 10. So that common difference is a constant, that is equal to 3. Now a equal to what? A equal to 1 and common difference d equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. 7 minus 4, that is also equal to 3. So that we have 20 terms. Yes, 20 is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, in this case, 20 by 2, 2 into first term is 1 plus 20 minus 1 into d equal to 3. Here, this is equal to 10 and this is equal to 19, 19. That is 19, 3 जो है 57 and 2, 59 multiply 10, 590. This is our answer, that is equal to 590. Now third problem here. Here third problem, a equal to 2 and d equal to 3, write 1 by 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1, write 1 by 3, r 4 write 2 by 3 minus 3 write 1 by 3 equal to 4 minus 3 1 write 1 by 3. This is a common difference D. Now in this case we calculate the 60 term. F 60 equal to 60 by 2 ब्रैकेट में 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this case this is equal to 30 and 2 into a equal to here a equal to 2 plus n minus 60 minus 1 into d equal to here 1 write 1 by 3 अर्थात 4 by 3 that is equal to 4 by 3. Now 30 this is equal to 2 to the 4 plus this is a 59 into 4 by 3. Now here 30 4 3 is 12 plus 4 9 is 36 और 4 5 is 20 और 3 23 divided by 3. Now here this can be written as 10 multiply this is equal to 6 to 8 and 3 1 4 and 2 that is equal to 2480. This is a answer. Now we see question number 4 here. Now fourth problem here. 5 plus 13 plus 21 plus dot 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 last term 181 here 81. Now in this case how many terms don't know. First of all we calculate the number of terms present in this series. 5 at 13 13 at 21. Here d is a constant. Now it is in AP. Here first term a equal to 5 common difference d equal to 13 minus 5 that is equal to 8 or 21 minus 13 that is also equal to 8. Here let us suppose that Tn equal to 181. It means that a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 181. A is 5 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 8 equal to 181. It means that n minus 1 into 8 equal to 181 minus 5. Here this is equal to 11 minus 5 6 176 and n minus 1 this comes here divided so that n equal to 22 plus 1 implies that n is equal to 23. Now n is equal to 23, number of terms equal to this, so that yes 23 equal to in this case number of terms equal to 23, yes 23 equal to n by 2 bracket में a plus l, because in this case last term is also present here and we use this formula 23 by 2, a is 5 and 181, 23 by 2 into 186 divided by 2, 2 9 ja 18 and 2 3 ja 6, so that 23 multiply 93. Now in this case 93 multiply 23, 3 3 are 9 and 27, 2 3 are 6, 2 9 are 18, 9 6 7 13 का 3, 8 2 10 1 1 1 2. This is equal to 2139. This is our answer in this case. Now we see next problem here. Now fifth problem here in this case. A equal to 3 by root 5 and D equal to 4 by root 5 minus 3 by root 5. This is equal to 1 by root 5. Or we can also calculate the D from here, root 5 minus 4 by root 5. This means that root 5 minus 4, this is equal to 1 by root 5, so that here we calculate the D and A, and we have to calculate the sum of 25 terms. Yes, 25 equal to 25 by 2 bracket में 2 into A equal to 3 by root 5 and plus n minus 1, here n 25 minus 1 into D equal to 1 by root 5. Here in this case, now 25 by 2 and this is equal to 3 to the 6 by root 5 plus here that is equal to 24 by root 5 and this is equal to 25 by 2 multiply 24 plus 6, 30 by root 5. Now this can be written as this multiply this 15 and this can be written as 3, that is 75 into 1 5 here, root 5 into root 5 divided by root 5, 1 is cancelled. This is equal to 75 root 5. Now we see this series 6 here. As we see in this series and 1 5 3, so that this looks like two series to add each other, that is a 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3. This is here some terms miss also. 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 plus 13 in this case, plus 7 plus and so on. so that 1 3 5 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and plus 5 9 13 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus this is this, but total terms is 20. Total terms is 20. If we take here in common sense, now if we take two terms, one is this, if we take three terms, and if we take five terms, here four terms, so that two terms this and two terms this. If we take six terms, two terms, three terms of this series and three terms of this series, so that 10 terms of this is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10 terms and plus 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus this is also 10 terms. Now, so that this is 10 terms and we take the sum of this and sum of this 10 by 2, 2a, 2 into a equal to 1 plus 10 minus 1 into d 1 to 3 to 5 to 7 and to 2 plus for this is also have 10 terms, 10 by 2, 2a, 2 into 5 plus 10 minus 1 into d 5, 4, 13 minus 9 equal to 4, this is here 4. Now 2 5 are 10, 5. Here 9 to 18, 18 are 2, 18 are 2, 20, and here this is a 5 and this is a 9, 9 4 are 36, 36 are 10, 46. This is equal to 100 plus this is equal to 5 6 are 30 का 0, 3 and 5 4 are 20, 23, so that this is equal to 330. Sum of this is equal to 330. Now we see next problem. Now question number 2. A person was appointed as a teacher and received a salary of rupees 700 per month in the first year of teaching, with the expectation of being paid 740 rupees per month in his second year. It means that एक व्यक्ति है जो टीचर के पद पे अपॉइंटमेंट होता है और पहले साल जो है 700 रुपया पर महीना मिलता है, सेकेंड ईयर दूसरे साल 740 रुपया पर मंथ मिलता है, 780 रुपए पर मंथ इन थर्ड ईयर एंड सो ऑन, तीसरे साल 780 रुपया मिलता है। इस तरह उसकी सैलरी जो है बढ़ती जाती है। फाइंड द टोटल सैलरी ही वुड एक्सपेक्ट टू हैव रिसीव्ड बाय द एंड ऑफ 10 ईयर। 10 वर्ष के बाद से उसका कुल कितना सैलरी होगा। अर्थात इसमें दिया है कि व्यक्ति को जो है पहले साल 700 रुपया मिलता है, दूसरे साल 740 रुपया मिलने लगता है 12 महीने तक। फिर तीसरे साल जो है 780 रुपया 12 महीने तक मिलता है। इस तरह सीरीज ऑफ द सैलरी क्या होगा जो है 12 साल की सैलरी हियर इन दिस केस इन ऑफ द 10 ईयर। यहाँ पर कितना है जो है 10 ईयर 10 वर्ष है जो है। अब यह है कि एक साल जो है 700 रुपये मिलता है, दूसरे साल जो है 740 रुपये मिलता है। यानी एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं तो 12 से गुणा किया गया है, मल्टीप्लाई किया गया है। और यह 700, 740, 780 इस तरह 10 साल तक यह जो है एपी सीरीज बना रहा है। अब हम क्या करेंगे 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, क्योंकि यह जो है एक साल में जो है 12 महीने होते हैं। इसको जो है यह 10 ईयर है तो n/2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, यानी 10/2 10/2 2a 2 into 700 n minus यानी 10 minus 1 into d. d is a increment, that is a 40 rupees each year. Now this is equal to 5 and 7 to the 1400 plus this is a 9 4 the 36 360 rupees and this is equal to 60 rupees and 12 5 is 60. After multiplying we get 10 5 600 rupees. He received the salary after the end of 10 years. Now the second problem, how many terms of the series 15, 12, 9 must be taken to make 15? इसके कहने का मतलब कि यह सीरीज है 15 है 12 है 9 है, क्रमशः जो है डिक्रीज कर रहा है। फर्स्ट टर्म 15 है और कॉमन डिफरेंस 12 minus 15 that is -3, 9 minus 12 that is -3. Here the first term is 15 and common difference is -3. Let us suppose that nth term of this is nth term, sum of nth term is equal to 15 because due to negative of common difference after that 0, then after that the numbers comes in negative form, so that let us suppose that